Guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set up your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and transfer data over from an old Android device. So first, boot up your device by pressing and hold on the side button here. Press and hold. Then, once the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 boot up, we will begin the setup. Okay, on the welcome screen, down here you can select a language, so tap on the language drop down and scroll down the list and select the language that you would like to use. Then tap on OK. Next, tap on the start button. Now tap on agree to all and then tap on agree. And we just wait for it to go to the next screen. Okay, in here, select your Wi-Fi network and then we're going to join that Wi-Fi. And then in here, enter your Wi-Fi password and then tap on the connect button. Okay, once you tap on the connect button, wait for the phone to connect to the network. It should show connected. Then we go down and tap on next. And here's getting your phone ready. So we're just going to wait for that as well. Okay, now it's a copy apps and data. So tap on next. And then say use another device. So you need an Android device, iPhone or iPad. So tap on next. Here tap on agree. And then tap on allow. Next, you want to choose Galaxy or Android. And here you have two options. You can transfer using wireless or cable. If you do have a cable, then use the cable, it will be faster. If you don't, you can choose wireless. In this video, I will choose cable. And then we're going to connect the two devices. So you may need to use the smart switch if your device is an old device. Sometimes you don't need to. So here I will connect this cable onto my Note 20 and the other one I will connect to my other Android device. So depending on which device type that you have, you may need to use a different cable. So here tap on connect. So they are both now connected, as you can see, and it says searching for data to transfer. So we just wait for both of them to completing the connections. Okay, after that, you have the option to transfer everything, or you can customize and choose which choose what you want to transfer over. So for ease of transferring, you can also choose everything. I like to customize my transferring, so I'm going to select customize, custom, and then tap on next. And here, scroll down the list and choose what you want to transfer over. Here you can see I can select all, or I can individually select each of the items that I want to transfer over. A large amount of data will be from apps. You can see here it takes up 24.44 gigabytes of storage space. So in this occasion, I will not choose apps. You can also expand the apps category here. And in here, you can simply select just the apps that you want to transfer over. So I will deselect them all. And instead, I will simply just select, say, Gboard. So I'll select that and then tap on done. So here I have selected just one app, but you can, of course, you can select all apps. Here we can choose to transfer settings over, home screen, images, videos, audio, and so on. So a lot of things that you can choose to transfer over or not. Then tap on transfer. And then here's a copy to your new device. So tap on copy on your other Android device. And before we do that, we need to verify ourselves. So I'm going to use my fingerprint to verify it. And now it's copying the account detail over to my Galaxy Note 20. At this stage, depending on how much data that you have, you may need to be patient. The process may be long, depending on how much data that you have. On my other device, I'm going to choose keep screen on so I can see what's going on during the transfer. Okay, so now it is in the process of transferring data from my other Android device to my Galaxy Note 20. So it is now transferring. If you have a lot of data, just be patient and wait. It can take up to 30 minutes or maybe a few hours. Okay, on my Galaxy Note, I'm going to tap on next. And then tap on more, then tap on more, tap on more, then tap on accept. Next, you can set up your PIN, password, or fingerprint or face recognition. Now you can set a PIN now or you can skip. So here I will set up 40. And then I choose confirm PIN without tapping OK and tap on continued. Here it said the PIN is too easy to guess, but I will choose use anyway. And I'll put in 40 and then tap on OK. Alright, now it is checking. On the other device, it's still showing transferring, so it hasn't finished yet. Okay, from this screen here, you can tap on more, then agree, and then tap on more and agree to assistant. Here it says review additional apps. Do you want to install any additional apps? I will deselect them all for now, just for ease of demonstration. You can leave them on, or you can go through the list and choose what you want to keep and which one you want to not include in your setup. And then tap on OK. From this screen here, tap on next. Then tap on next. You can enter in your Samsung account. So here I will choose skip because I do not want to sign in at the moment. So I will tap on skip. Then tap on more. Then tap on agree. And then tap on finished. Okay, so once you have put up to your home screen, if you want to further customize your phone, you can swipe down at the top and then tap on settings. Now you can see a lot of things going on here on the background. It's still transferring data, it's still installing new apps and so on. So just let it be and let it run on the background for a while. Here we tap on the settings icon. And here you can sign to your Samsung account. You can also sign to your Google account. So go into apps, scroll down and then tap on apps. And from here, you can sign to your Google account. So sorry, should be an account. So we go down and look for accounts and backup in here, manage account, and then you can sign to your Google account. So in the settings page, there are a lot of things that you can set up. You can set up your fingerprint, Face ID. You can manage apps, manage home screen. You can set up your wallpaper and style and clocks, and sounds and vibration, as well as notifications, and your mods and routines. So a lot of things you can change from the settings menu. But basically, that is how you can transfer the data over from your other Android phone to your Galaxy Note 20. So in gallery here, still showing no pictures yet. The data is still being transferred over. It is being transferred over on the background. So you can see here it is still transferring. You can wait for that to finish. Okay, and here it says done. So tap on the done button once it says finished. And then I can open up my gallery. Still not showing yet pictures being transferred over. So if it's not being transferred over, you need to go back into Smart Switch and make sure that you have selected pictures or videos to transfer over. Maybe I didn't select it, so nothing is being transferred over. Over here, you can see once the transfer is done, you still need to organize your data. So perhaps because it hasn't finished organizing, that's why it's not showing pictures in my gallery yet. But that's it. Just wait for your phone to complete the transfer and you should be good to go. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.